Hi there! In this video I'll show you how to make a headband with a volumetric flower. In the previous tutorial I already showed the flower assembly process and all the materials that I used. Look for the link below under this video, and also don't miss new DIY tutorials where I'll show how to make other jewelry with this flower. I want to ask you to visit my online store. You can order hair wands, hair combs and other accessories from all my video tutorials. You will see the link on the screen and in the description. We will send your order to any country via express or regular mail service. If you will order accessories in my online store, you will support my channel and help me to make new videos. Don't miss our regular discounts and purchase handmade jewelry today. You can find other hair accessories tutorials on my channel, all links will be in the description. If you will put a thumbs up to this video, I will know that I need to continue to make such beautiful accessories for you. I would like to know your opinion about this jewelry. Please write to me what kind of tutorial you would like to see on my channel, and I will try to make it for you in next time. Support my channel with your subscription and put your thumbs up. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!